Hello, my Wanderlands Artistry family. Christina Flores here. And today, we are about to embark on an out-of-this-world adventure. Are you ready to step into a galaxy far, far away? Join me as we explore Disney's Hollywood studios and dive deep into the immersive world of Star Wars. Galaxy's Edge. From piloting the fastest hunk of junk in the galaxy to sipping on blue milk, we are going to experience it all. So grab your lightsaber, channel your inner Jedi or Sith, and let's dive into the magic of Star Wars at Disney's Hollywood studios. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become part of our community. I release exciting new episodes every week, taking you on journeys to incredible destinations across Florida, the US, and even around the globe. Your support makes it possible for me to share these travel stories and adventures with you. So thank you for being a part of this amazing journey. Star Wars. Galaxy's Edge is an immersive land at Disney's Hollywood studios, located in the southwest part of the park next to Toy Story Land. As I explored the park, I encountered many characters and places that transported me straight into the Star Wars universe. It truly feels like stepping into the movies. Galaxy's Edge is set entirely in Black Spire Outpost, a remote trading post on the planet Batuu, making it one of the most immersive single-location recreations in any Disney park. Galaxy's Edge officially opened at Disney World on August 29, 2019, and replaced most of the park's former Streets of America area. The park features remote outposts and pilots the Millennium Falcon. Here, you can visit Droid Depot to build your own droid, craft a lightsaber at Savi's workshop, and grab a drink at Oga's Cantina. I've been to Hollywood studios in Orlando twice, and every visit, Star Wars, Galaxy's Edge is a must. We never missed the rides: Millennium Falcon, Smuggler's Run, and Star Wars, Rise of the Resistance. The Millennium Falcon. Smuggler's Run is an interactive ride where you get to fly the legendary Millennium Falcon on a smuggling mission. So far, I've taken on the roles of engineer and navigator, but next time, I'm hoping to finally be the pilot, because who wouldn't want to take control of the fastest ship in the galaxy? Meanwhile, the Star Wars, Rise of the Resistance is hands down my favorite ride in the park. This 18-minute, multi-stage attraction fully immerses you in the battle between the Resistance and the First Order. Both times I visited, it wasn't available for booking with Lightning Lane, but we braved the standby queue and waited about 50 minutes, which was absolutely worth it. The level of detail, the way the cast members stay in character, and the sheer scale of the experience make this one of the most immersive Disney attractions ever built.
It didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, go to the person. Your operation attention block 3.
Your coming down. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway? find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence. Now!
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
Thank you so much for watching until the very end. I hope this video sparked your travel dreams and filled you with wanderlust. If you enjoyed exploring with me, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for even more travel tips, incredible destinations, and unforgettable experiences. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at @WanderlandsArtistry for behind-the-scenes moments and endless travel inspiration. This is Christina, reminding you to embrace the journey, discover new horizons, and chase those once-in-a-lifetime experiences. Until next time, ciao, and happy travels!